Okay guys, I am about to make my lotion. I have the pot on a double boiler, so I'm going to put the ingredients in there to make my lotion. I got to order for some lotion, so I'm getting everything prepared. So I'm going to put in some shea butter. This is raw unrefined shea butter. I'm going to put in my lotion, and I'm making what is this one? Blue by Chanel for men. And I'm also going to make the body spray. So that is the shea butter that's going in. And this one is the unrefined. This is the unrefined coconut oil. So this going in next. Unrefined coconut oil. And then when I put the fragrance oils in there, I don't put that in until actually after it then came to a certain temperature, because if you put your oils in before it come to a certain temperature, the temperature will cook it off and you won't even have a fragrance in your lotion. So I'm putting all of this is the also unrefined coconut oil. So shea butter, coconut oil, and I gotta get the vitamin E. This coconut oil is hard. Okay. So that's that. I'm going to get a little of, where is my stuff at? Hold on, guys. I got what I need holding up the, okay. I have to get, this is a little bit of castor oil and then vitamin E. And I'm going to bring all this, guys, to a high temperature melt. And once I bring it all to a high temperature melt, at that time, I am going to put it into the freezer. And then it is going to be, this is a little vitamin E oil, good for the skin. A little vitamin E. So now I'm just going to let that come to a boil and break down my oils. So I got a couple things going. I got a couple orders, guys. So when you guys see that I'm not busy, then I'll pick up, get a little busy. So I'm making lotion and soap. I got an order that needs to go out in about a week or so. So I wanted to show you guys, this is a turmeric soap that's over here cooking in the crock pot. And you guys seen it in the last video. It was kind of really soupy. So now what I'm doing is breaking it down. So what this is doing is hot processed soap. It's going to make the lye cook out of the soap. So in about a week, it can cure and they can be able to use it. Versus doing the cold processed soap, it'll take about 4 weeks to cure. So that's the difference in why I'm cooking it in this crock pot. So I got a lot of things going on, guys. I got a lot of things going on. Had to pull back out everything. They was like, when are we going to get some soap? When are we going to get some lotion? So, and believe it or not, shockingly, majority of these orders is going to my family. And that is the lotion right there. And we know that family, let me sit this down. They don't like to really spend. Okay, when you're dealing with your family, let me put it right there, guys. When you're dealing with your family, they normally want everything free. So through the grace of God, when you got a product that really works and they really want it, they will be willing to pay. So thank you guys for watching. And I will show you guys the lotion when it's done and also the soap when it's done. And I'm ready to do the chopping. I'm in the process. Like I said, I was trying to move. A lot of my stuff is packed up. So I'm still going through boxes trying to find a lot of my stuff. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.